Before DJI has officially confirmed anything, the DJI Avata 360 is already stirring serious excitement in the drone world. In a move that feels almost unreal, a US retailer has quietly listed the Avata 360 for pre-order, complete with leaked images, bundle options, and even inventory-style availability indicators. That kind of detail doesn't usually appear unless something big is right around the corner. Suddenly, what once felt like a distant rumor now feels very close to becoming reality. For FPV fans and immersive flying enthusiasts, this leak hits differently. The Avata series has always been about accessibility, cinematic motion, and adrenaline-packed flying, and the Avata 360 seems ready to push that concept even further. New bundle structures, unexpected pricing tiers, and hints at upgraded accessories suggest DJI might be planning something far more ambitious than a simple refresh. But as exciting as all this sounds, there's also plenty of uncertainty. No official announcement, no confirmed specs, and a retailer that isn't officially backed by DJI. So what's real, what's risky, and what does this leak actually tell us? Let's break it all down and see what the DJI Avata 360 could really bring to the table. The most eye-catching part of this leak is the fact that a US retailer has already opened pre-orders for the DJI Avata 360, despite DJI remaining completely silent. The listings include reservation-style stock tracking, accessory compatibility details, and multiple bundle variations. That level of preparation strongly suggests that a launch window may be closer than many expected. However, there's a major red flag worth addressing immediately. This retailer is not an authorized DJI dealer. That alone changes the entire conversation. While the listings feel polished and convincing, buying from an unauthorized source always carries risk. Warranty coverage may be limited or non-existent, firmware updates could be restricted, and support from DJI is far from guaranteed. Some listings even describe units as unsealed, pre-activated, or imported international models. Details that should make any buyer pause before clicking buy now. Now let's talk about what the leaks reveal regarding DJI's bundle strategy, because this is where things get really interesting. The base bundle is as minimal as DJI has ever gone with an FPV-style drone. According to the leaked images, this package includes only the Avata 360 drone itself with a battery already installed. Alongside that, you get spare propellers, mounting screws, a compact FPV-style camera protector, and a USB-C cable. That's it. No goggles, no controller, no carrying case, no extra batteries. This bundle clearly isn't designed for newcomers. Instead, it's aimed squarely at existing DJI FPV users who already own compatible goggles and controllers. For experienced pilots, this could be a smart way to upgrade without paying for duplicate gear. But for beginners, this bundle would be frustratingly incomplete. Next up is the standard ready-to-fly bundle, often referred to as the Fly Smart Combo. This option feels like DJI's way of making the Avata 360 approachable for first-time FPV pilots. In addition to everything from the base bundle, this package includes DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and the necessary charging accessories. Essentially, it's a complete ecosystem in one box. This bundle appears designed for simplicity and ease of use. You charge everything, power up, and fly. No compatibility headaches, no missing components. For anyone new to FPV or stepping into immersive drone flying for the first time, this combo seems like the most balanced and user-friendly option. Then there's the Fly More combo, which is clearly positioned as the premium experience. This package includes everything from the standard combo but adds even more value for power users. Leaked images show multiple extra batteries, a dedicated charging hub, additional spare propellers, and a rugged hard-shell carrying case. Even more interesting is the appearance of Goggles 3, which are DJI's higher-end goggles. This setup screams long flight sessions, fewer interruptions, and serious content creation. It's ideal for pilots who hate battery anxiety, travel frequently, or plan to use the Avata 360 for professional or semi-professional work. The inclusion of upgraded goggles suggests DJI may be pushing immersion and visual clarity even further with this model. What's especially notable is that these may not be the only bundles DJI has planned. The leaks suggest a wider lineup could be revealed once the Avata 360 is officially announced. What we're seeing now could be just a portion of the full release strategy. However, caution is absolutely necessary here. Because DJI has not confirmed the Avata 360, final bundle contents could change. Firmware support, regional compatibility, and official pricing are all still unknown. The retailer offering these listings feels closer to a dropshipper than a traditional DJI partner, which raises serious questions about after-sales support. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where opinions will really divide. Based on current pre-order listings, the base bundle with a single intelligent flight battery is priced at approximately $999.99. A Fly More style bundle that includes one battery and the RC2 controller is listed around $1,299.99. The top-tier Fly More combo, featuring 3 batteries, a charging hub, a hard carrying case, and the RC2 controller, jumps to about $1,799.99. There's also a standalone Avata 360 unit listed at $1,799.99, described as new but unsealed and already activated, which is particularly concerning. Additionally, a Motion Fly More bundle that includes RC Motion 2 and Goggles N3 is expected to land around that same $1,799.99 price point. At these prices, DJI is clearly positioning the Avata 360 as a premium FPV experience rather than a budget-friendly entry point. So, where does all of this leave us with the DJI Avata 360? If these leaks turn out to be accurate, DJI may be preparing one of its most flexible and ambitious FPV releases yet. The wide range of bundles suggests a clear strategy. Give experienced FPV pilots a no-frills upgrade path, while also offering newcomers a complete, stress-free entry into immersive flying. That alone makes the Avata 360 a very interesting product to watch. At the same time, it's important to keep expectations grounded. None of this information has been officially confirmed by DJI. Pre-order listings from unauthorized retailers always come with risks, whether that's unclear warranty coverage, limited firmware support, or unexpected changes once the official launch happens. As tempting as it might be to jump in early, waiting for DJI's official announcement could save you from headaches down the line. Still, one thing is clear: the Avata 360 is already generating serious buzz, and that usually means something big is coming. If DJI delivers on what these leaks suggest, we could be looking at a drone that redefines how accessible and versatile FPV flying can be. Now it's your turn. Which bundle would you actually go for? The bare-bones option for existing FPV users, the balanced standard combo, or the fully loaded Fly More setup built for long sessions and content creation? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let the Technify community know what you think.